Okay, today I'm going to do a top-down analysis on the Tesla stock, and on the screen Tesla. So we'll start with the monthly chart, and in our monthly chart, let's expand that inward. Okay, so in our monthly chart, we have lowest level, most recent lower level in the month is at say 100. The extreme of this candle is 104. So 105, 104 in this region. This is a zone. So the lowest monthly level is 105, and the highest monthly level is around, let's round it up to 400. Okay, so those are our extreme monthly levels. Right. So I've been doing gold for my levels. So let me change this up here. That's my monthly zones for Tesla. Then then we can go to the weekly zone. So first of all, when we look at the monthly, we notice that this candle is a red candle. So since this is when? This is since August of 22. It was up to 87, and then it came down, 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 down. End of December 2022, it was at one of its key monthly levels. And then you notice in January, it's been gradually coming up. The pullback in April, and then it went up May and June, and now it's back to another key level, and it's coming back down. So it can come down. I have this as a level I'm gonna see, because I mark this as a level because at this point in the monthly, stock was up, and then it did a pullback, and then it went up. So there's a key level right here where the stock turned around and continued up. Well, it was going up, and then it had a pullback. So it and then it also came down here and reacted to that zone. So it touched this zone twice already. So it can react again when it comes down to about 210 in the 200 regions. It might react in that zone. So we're looking for Tesla to react there, or it may come down to 159. But Tesla is a very strong stock, so it might react at this zone before it this zone. This is a monthly zone. Okay, so let's look at the weekly chart. And in the weekly chart, the zones are, you're looking at the extremes. So we have the same monthly and weekly overlapping there, and then we have one at 380. Then we come down, there's a reaction at 308. Then there's a few touches in this region. We have this region here at 218. Right now it's in that monthly slash weekly zone we spoke about earlier, because notice this zone you come across here, reaction there, we have a reaction there and there. So there is potentially buyers in this area. And then we can come down to 160 region, and if it doesn't react strongly here, can come all the way down to 110, and it was there in January. So could possible that Tesla can come back to this region, because it was there January of this year already. So if you price up, pull back, went up, now it's coming down. So we're watching this level, this level, this level. All right. So right now in our daily, we are coming down to this key level. So if you draw a line from here across there, we're looking at 220. So Tesla can come down to 220 and then bounce off this zone. This is a monthly zone, so this is a strong zone right in this area. So if we're looking at the moving average, it can come down to the moving average and bounce off this 200-day moving average, which is right here. So this is a strong zone. We have our 200-day moving average. We have our resistance turn support in this area. Yep. So look for Tesla to turn around in this area. I think it's gonna be a strong reaction in this zone. And then see what happens from there. You can bounce there and go all the way up to this weekly zone, and then come back down to this zone, and bounce, come back down all the way to this zone. We'll see. So for now, I'm taking days when they're strong selling until it gets down, to this area. This is my, I'm gonna move this down. This is my area I'm watching. Let's change that to dotted line. So that is my daily key level overlapping with a monthly zone. So I'm looking for what Tesla will do when it gets to 220. I'm watching this area. There is a moving average in that area. Let's see what it is. What is this? This is something. it's the 100-day moving average. So it can react to the 100-day moving average. Go up, then come down. So what we can do potentially is let's see if I can use this. I never used this before. So Tesla can come down and then so it can come down and then after that it will go up, go up to here. Then it can come down, can react to this level quite a few times before it gets down to about here maybe. There's a something going on here. Here. So for now we're doing sell on Tesla until it gets to this key level and then expecting it to bounce like a pullback and then hit a level. It can come all the way up here and then reverse. 100% retracement. It could do all this, come up to this gap, or it can come 100% retracement and then do that. So, but this is what I am predicting on Tesla. I'm not an expert on this, but that's potentially what can happen. So let's see. Today was a good day for um today was a great day for selling Tesla and I jumped out of my trade way too early. Way too early. So I missed out on getting a good trade. But this is what I was looking at this morning. I looked at a 15 minute. So what I have been doing is in the morning I get up and I look at my pre-market. So this is my pre-market on a 15-minute candle. So we determine the direction of Tesla. It's in a downtrend and we see that pre-market, this is the high and this is the low. So I mark these off in the mornings. We put like an alert on those. And this is my low. So what I've been doing is I let the first 15-minute candle form. If I see that it is usually in the morning, it will run up or run down, and you have to let it settle for that first 5 to 15 minutes. So I let that first 15 minutes candle form, and then I know for sure what direction. So if it's not strong enough to, like if you notice, it was trying to break the pre-market high, but it wasn't strong enough. It was weak and had a long upper wick. So that means sellers were pushing this stock down. So it wasn't strong enough to break the previous day high was here. It wasn't strong enough to break that. So that was a good sign that Tesla is not strong enough with more sellers. Buyers are weak, and the first 15-minute candle is showing strong sellers. So I waited on that to form, and then I jumped in before this candle finished forming, and then rode it down to. I got kicked out of the trade at about two. I get kicked out of this candle here about 10:15 because I didn't want to lose my go totally zero. So I decided to move my stop down really close, and I got stop out like here. So I think I got stop out at 236. Came up with like $20. But if I had leave my stop here or at least move it to break even, I would have gotten from 236 to 231. That's like, wow, that was a good trade. Trade. Like, that was a really good trade. A real down day for Tesla, for sure. But, okay, so, yeah, so it's one of those days. You wish you had stick to your guns and trust the process. Stayed, if I had stayed right there, I would have just let it run, let it run, let it run. But live to fight another day. At least I got some money out of it, and that's a lesson learned. So next time I will just move my stop to break even and leave it and let the trade do its thing. As long as it's not coming above this. This is what green 20. As long as it's staying below that 20, I should have just stayed in the trade. Next time I'll know to stay right there and let it. Yeah, the Tesla seems to be with that 20 moving average very well. Okay, so that's that's my trade on Tesla today. It was a good day.